Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about digital marketing. Now this video is going to be part of series of videos that will talk about digital marketing. We're going to start with the basics first, which is like laying the foundation. We're going to talk about what is digital marketing, how to use it to promote your products and services, what tactics to use, what channels you're going to use, and how are you going to create content, your channel strategy, your content strategy, social strategy, and overall digital strategy. As you know, as you can see, this is going to be very helpful, so watch all my videos. Hi everyone, this is the first video of my digital marketing series. We're going to talk about what is digital marketing. I want to make it simple for you. Now, digital marketing is an act of promoting your products and services online. Right? This is the simple definition, promoting your products and services, in short, promoting your business online. Now, let's talk a little deeper. Digital marketing is an act of promoting your products and services online using different online marketing tactics available. Now, what are those tactics? Social media marketing is the one, which includes Facebook ads, Instagram ads, LinkedIn ads, YouTube ads. Search engine marketing, where we talk about running ads on Google, where you bid for the keywords, and when a user or your target audience searches for those keywords that your business offers, your ad will appear, and then they click on the ad, you get the traffic, and then you get lead. Content marketing, creating content, and that is creating organic content. You create content, you post on your website in the form of blog articles, providing the education to your audience. It can be creating content for your social media channels, whether your business is on Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn, and then making sure that you have content appearing very constantly for your audience to keep engaging with it, understanding your business even more. And also that's where you can also add value to them, providing them the info they're looking for and answering any questions they have, plus also sharing what you have achieved, any testimonials, what's happening in your business, creating video, talking about behind the scenes, and a lot more. So that's content marketing, which is 3. We talk about SEO, which is search engine optimization. Now, search engine optimization is where we want to make sure that the content that we create for a website is actually ranking well on Google. So, for example, if your business name is XYZ and someone search for XYZ, you appears because that's your own keyword, right? You start ranking on the first position literally. But then if we go more deep and we talk about what sort of services you are offering or what products you are offering, for example, if you're an electronic store and you offer cameras, you offer other electronic products such as refrigerators, or you offer printers, right? So, and someone's looking for the printers near me, and that's where they want to see your content, your website appearing. That's called search engine optimization. And if you are offering any sort of marketing services, for example, let's say someone is looking for social media marketing agency, and that's where your business appears, that is called optimizing your website for the search engines so that you rank well for the keywords your users are searching for organically. Here you don't have to pay, but on Google Ads, which is search engine marketing, search engine advertising, that is where you're going to bid for the keywords, and then if someone clicks on your ad link, you will pay for that keyword. But in SEO, you don't pay for it. Then email marketing, someone lands on your website and they subscribe to your email newsletter, that now they're subscribed to your list, which means they have given you your business the permission to send them regular emails, the content. And again, you can use that as an opportunity for yourself, but also to provide them a lot of value, but then with a call to action, which again helps you achieve your business goals. So these are some of the tactics that I've discussed today, and we're going to talk more in detail in the next videos which is coming, and I'm sure you're going to find it very helpful. So keep watching my coming videos. So in order to not miss those videos, follow me, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you again soon.